left, down, right, up.
What is that song about? What the
Roosters.
hell?
Cocks. It's about cocks.
Cocks, okay. Sword fights. Sword fights.
Glow in the dark comments. Oh, I forgot this one's a puzzle. You gotta plug it in the right spots to make it connect. I forgot.
Oh, yeah.
So this one goes here, I think. Nope, not there. Where's the other one?
Oh, for the tubes.
Yeah.
Yeah, anytime I've ever done this, I just sort of get it. I've never fucking noticed that there's yellow tubes that need to be interlocked here.
Well, then I guess you've been lucky several times.
At least 2. That's fucking crazy. But I've never noticed the puzzle. Like, I always wondered, like, this is dumb, I'm just putting them in.
This
Damn.
one? Oh, this one's curved. There, okay. I was like, this one doesn't have one. Oh, I need to break this.
That's crazy. But I've never noticed that before.
It's not that big a deal.
No, it's just like,
Just probability. It's improbable. Probably like a 1 in 10 chance that you would do it right 2 times and not notice it, but
I should have put money on that. Should have put money on a thing I didn't know was happening.
now where did I throw the other one?
You're already, like, dumb, dude.
I don't know. Oh,
Oh, there
there
it
it
is.
is. Come here. Come here. There you go. Equals.
No, you couldn't do the thing there.
Yeah, it wasn't in.
I think the last time I listened to Alice in Chains was like when we went to like Zen Factory and they had like best of Alice in Chains playing
Yeah, you probably heard
constantly.
that song that night.
Probably. I know I've heard that song in other places, but it's just. Read those lyrics later. What about the rooster?
Who cares? I care. I love that song.
So that's somebody's favorite song.
Probably.
A lot of people's favorite song.
Oh, I left a. Oh, that's just a light. I thought it was a log.
A light, dude. You love lights.
I've got no room. Got bugged one too many times.
You mean your dick got electrocuted?
Hope we find a save point by the end of this video. Okay, cool. I'll run back here if I have to. For saves. You played this more recently than me.
Yeah.
This one.
Honestly, 1 and 2 are like, I get them so mixed up in my brain.
Well, maybe that's what they expected to happen there. I wonder if, like, real hard. This room?
We ruined like everything in like the first video if this is their first time watching.
I ain't scared. I got a ripper. I think like most of my bad memories are from my plasma cutter playthrough of this, to be fair.
From?
Of this room.
Oh, they come out of that? They come out of that window there?
They come out of a lot of places.
Come out of most.
I just wish there was a place I could... Well, is there a vent here?
I get over there, right there.
This is safe.
No way, they come right there.
But there's no vent.
Right there. That's good. When they come here, you gotta be aware. Yeah.
Can't let me down. I don't mind if they pop out right in front of me. They're gonna die.
You know, recording these sounds is probably horrible.
They just recorded one sound and sped it up a lot.
This is actually a cat meowing.
Hey!
Yeah, regular guy's awesome.
Good impression of you.
I don't have to slow down in my
This
brain.
time, instead of doing what you said, I'm gonna go stand where the fuck I said. Because.
It's just this alternate side of the same coin, my friend.
No, it ain't.
They're gonna jump into your dick right there.
Then they're gonna jump into a saw blade stick.
What does a saw blade stick look like?
Like
Smaller
a saw blade.
Smaller saw blades.
I don't think they jump in from here.
Yes, they do.
I don't believe it.
They break the
They
glass.
jump in from there.
Look at that.
Oh, okay, do it. Do it, bitch.
Like in a zoo right now. Actually, a daycare.
I don't think he jumps in. Okay. Well, whatever.
Couldn't you just like jump through that hole there?
Ah, you got through the saw blade defense.
Yep. That patented saw blade defense. It's not working for this team.
So that's not the place to stand. I got too many kids.
Which one of you is Hollywood Kid? Hollywood Kid live. Oh, that's such a, like, God.
Got a high step though. Look how high his leg is.
You could totally blind all these kids with bleach.
Maybe this time I just play helicopter and just keep spinning.
I don't know how swinging your dick at them is gonna, like... These kids are perverted. They will go for your dick.
So, I need somewhere where I can see where it can pop out. Maybe this corner. Ah, 2 kids.
That's where you were for when I was directing you.
No, you direct me right there. Right
I
there.
know! You were over there!
What? You got smacked on me. Little kiss on the cheek.
You were right there, dude.
I'll just keep moving.
You know, you just keep moving. You see how far that gets you.
It's gotten me further than before. What's the aeration though?
Good. Good get. Whoa! Hitting your phone.
Just a couple smacks. Wacky whack. Don't talk back. Hey, regular guy. He's got me. I'm probably good. But maybe not. No.
Oh, you're good. You are.
Well, good is,
Stasis is a thing. What I mean,
stasis what I'm saying.
we can all remember.
Stasis wouldn't have to unless kid.
Nope. Dead. Which one of you kids can dance or sing?
Which one is Michael Jackson? Tito's done.
Tito's been done, dude. Michael Jackson's been done too.
I bet the Jackson camp's still making money on it.
Yeah, but he also had like millions in debt.
That disappears when you die. Everybody knows that. The death fairy takes it away.
That sounds like something adults tell themselves when they are hardcore in debt.
You hear about the death fairy?
I would love to hear about the debt fairy. Got some student loans, I
I
might.
would say we're hardcore.
No, are you
It could
kidding
be
me?
better. But it could be better.
I don't know how much student loan debt I have, but I know it's not over 10 G's or anything like that.
That's in a reasonable few G's. Where are you? Fuck you. Fuck you real hard.
It's called any money I make is going towards that G's.
That does.
So BT Damn Show, I am on to it.
It's actually cute. Gotta use the Ripper. Plasma code's not good for the children.
Plasma Ripper's not good
That's
for
pretty
the
scary.
children.
He's got to take the long way around.
There, glass, okay, cut. Okay, cut on
Once the
glass.
children are dead, I can switch to a different gun.
Yeah.
But I don't know how many children are. Are there 7? Are there 6? Are there 8? I don't know.
Brady Bunch of minor children?
I'm pretty sure it's more than 1.
I feel pretty confident.
Brady Bunch had 6.
Cousin Oliver, 7.
I don't count.
Alice.
I've never actually watched anything. Cousin Oliver.
Really? You never saw him?
I didn't watch much Brady.
He kind of was a bit of a fuck up. But people thought he was cute because he was blonde hair.
Ah, you see him stepping back?
Yeah, he was getting ready to fucking do a front flip on your ass.
I need it. I think that's it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is the money?
Oh, sure.
I'm not dead.
Oh, God, there's a
Keeper's
beaver
coming.
there. You need to take care of.
While he's phased, I think. I had straps. I just didn't employ them. How much is after those two?
I think that's like maybe. Most women are terrible.
Right. What fucked me there is I didn't reload the plasma cutters. So
You know, if you had that. Are you sure you have the fully upgraded? I swear they can hold up 20 shots.
I have it fully upgraded. The only thing left to upgrade on it is your fucking mom. I just don't have that much ammo. I have 1 speed upgrade left on it. It's just I only have 10 bullets.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, I'm limited by the actual resources I have. I can't just like fabricate.
Cheryl!
Cheryl. The fuck?
Give me the memo. That bitch loses 10 pounds. She thinks she can just talk whatever to me.
That's cute.
Whoa, we got clipped.
Why did the saw blade not fucking cut?
Cause I'm over. You can't even get hit right. Yeah.
Getting around my saw blade. Stop it.
You need dual wield rippers.
Nothing cool. Dead Space 3 should have. Come the fuck on! He just. I'm gonna break this controller after.
I did on Dead Space 3. I did dual plasma cutters.
I'll try it. I mean, that's just like a line rifle at that point, though.
Yeah.
I'll try this time. I don't think it's gonna go better though.
You know you have the pulse rifle good. Right
Yes,
now.
that's why I said I'm gonna try this time, but I don't think it's gonna go better because I'm trying something different. Jeez. Cheryl.
You're Cheryl!
No, I'm Bernice.
Ooh, you can be Bernice. I'm not gonna fight you on Bernice.
I'm Dirty Dan.
Well, I'm not gonna be anybody named Pinhead, because that's a physical condition.
It's actually gonna something. Because I can stay more open with this. We didn't stay good. Oh, I didn't have enough for everything. Ripper. Alright. Now, where's he going? Probably
There.
I missed!
You're moving to the computer.
I want him first. He's most important to die.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I think if you stay still something, you can take the computer out rather easily. And they have to tell them how much rope for a noose because they have to make the sale. That's scary.
I don't think that happens.
No, it happens! Just like people buy a shotgun and buy one shell.
You can't buy one shell, dude. You have to buy a box.
I know, I bought shells. But what if I take one shell out and go, what if I just take this one between you and me?
I mean, Walmart ain't gonna let you do it.
Look, I just spent $300. It's fucking Remington. Fucking.
Walmart ain't gonna let you do it.
Look, this shotgun's getting returned, obviously, by whoever finds me.
Was that a gay shotgun? No, please don't melee right now. Get the fuck off me, kid.
Get the fuck off me, kid. Oh, you dropped your brother? They're going
I
crazy.
like that they back off while you punching it.
This is like hell in a cell.
Okay, that should be
Right here.
all the time. Nope. Doesn't help.
That's an obligator, dude. It fucks up, and people think it's charming when it isn't. Stasis is fucking suck. There you go!
Okay, here this time. What? There's two.
Oh shit. You gotta make it.
It's a black one. But give me that, just in case.
Immediately.
I think that's it. Okay.
Do you think when people go and buy a shotgun to kill themselves, the person who finds them returns the shotgun
Probably not.
after the crime?
Probably not. That's probably the last goddamn thing on their mind.
A month later.
Is there a save point out that way? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Couldn't remember. This is a longer video, but
Cousin Oliver, dude.
Oh,
damn!
Fuck you. There's gotta be a checkpoint there. There's gotta be a checkpoint there. What if there's not? Honestly. But I'm not gonna. I'm trying to get out of here. I wasn't even in Dead Space mode, so I didn't see him. I wasn't paying attention to him. I was in.
Making a joke about her about to be a fucking pirate. That's what it was.
Yeah. Get down.
You know what? No, like, if we said Cousin Oliver to someone like 16, nothing.
Irrelevant.
Fucking nothing. I'm not even sure most people are into Cousin Oliver.
It probably took until I was 15 or 16 to know who that was.
Oh, dude, no, I watched that shit.
I tuned out of Nick as soon as Nick and I came on. Alright, there's our save point. Was there a workbench down there? There's a workbench though. Oh, is it far away though? It might be far away. If it's through. Oh, there's an elevator. Fuck it!
That's good. It's good for today, kids.